So here we are, the inception of this beautiful river. These waterfalls make this happen. Now you see this much of water. There will be a time when we'll have water till that ledge, probably Upar that one. Yeah. So, we are about to leave now. Bye. Bye. We are 30 kilometers away from Dauki. वो जगह का नाम इतना कठिन है कि बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ. समथिंग SP समथिंग समथिंग. So on the way, this road while climbing up is a little bit tricky, जो कि उतरते टाइम नहीं था. The road to Dauki is also not bad. Just that divider नहीं है रास्ते पे, but रास्ता पूरा प्लेन है, ख़राब नहीं है. So that's good only. Showing 27 kilometers and 49 minutes, which is understandable. Let's go. So we are almost about to reach. Only 12 kilometers left. Looking at the roads, it seems we are going down the hill, and the bike is holding it really good. Though there is some tuck 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 noise, I'm not sure what that is. It's as if you take a small nut bolt and put it in a bottle and then start shaking it, the kind of sound you get. That is the kind of sound I get at times, not all the time, but at times. I think I will go and check it during the service. 351 kilometer done already on the bike's odometer, and today from morning we have done 204 kilometer. So far so good. Almost there. 9.2 kilometers. Also good. Touchwood, so far I haven't found one stretch of really bad road, and God bless, it should be like this only. This is a very sharp turn. Wow. अब जाके मेरे को थोड़ा ख़राब रास्ता मिला है, but it's like only 3.8 kilometers left, so this is not a ख़राब रास्ता, this is just a गाँव का रास्ता. For our English viewers, village road. So roads are like this. यहाँ पे दो गाड़ी आजू बाजू में जाना are difficult at some stretches. But I can see the river नीचे. आपको दिखा नहीं पाऊँगा because कैमरा उतना ले ही नहीं पाएगा. Now you know how much ever the camera technology improves, still it cannot compare to the human eye. Human eye is a different thing altogether. What kind of science are we having in our body? Wow. But yeah, the roads are last around maybe 8-9 kilometers or so, not even 8-9 kilometers, maybe 6 kilometers or so are tricky. Which is 700 meters बचा हुआ है, and that too it's showing 3 minutes. Man, not easy. So we reach here. This is Dauki. पता नहीं आपको दिखेगा कि नहीं इधर से. That is the cleanest river in India. One of the cleanest river in India. Look at this. This is actually crowded, but I think सुबह के टाइम पे उतना crowd नहीं रहेगा. Okay, chalo. I'll shoot some more after a while. So this is the river of Shongpadang. We are doing the boating. Look at this. Trying to do panorama. I stayed there. वो लाल टेंट के बाजू में. You should come to this place once if you want to do boating like this. This is peaceful. This is really peaceful. You'll have sands like this which will make you feel that you are in a sea beach. This is amazing. The water is this clean. I don't know if you can see this. This is very clean. This is the cleanest or the closest to cleanest you can get in this country. So here we are. the inception of this beautiful river. These waterfalls make this happen. Now you see this much of water. There will be a time when we'll have water till that ledge, probably Uparwala, that one. Yeah. He is the one who is boating with me. He has helped me a lot in this boating. Happy faces. Hi. Sadly, have to go back so that we can come back again. Do come whenever you come to Shillong or Meghalaya. Dauki is one of the most beautiful rivers you can ever find in this country, or even in the Asia region probably. It's that beautiful. Clean water, everything so beautiful.
Mula syajari ni. Oh ya. Hah? Ngala syajari. Ayo baka so tu tangkat so. Allah sikit bak lepah. Oh. Bijana to bakse.
So again back to the place where we started this boat ride. वहाँ पे जिप लाइनिंग जा रहा है. This is the cleanliness which you find here. No wonder they call it the cleanest river around the world. One of the cleanest rivers around the world. Crystal clean water. Crystal clear water.